Hello and welcome back to the business. It's tip and trick day, so let's get started. Now, you've heard that your air conditioning unit must be inspected. Why do you need to do this? What are the implications of not arranging an inspection? Well, the government has introduced new legislation which now means that all air conditioners of 12 kilowatt or more in capacity must be assessed for their efficiency. If your system was installed after January 2008, then the first inspection must be undertaken within 5 years of that date, and then routinely checked every 5 years. It is the responsibility of whoever controls the heating and cooling system in your building to make sure everything is up to date. Failure to comply won't result in a simple slap on the wrists. You could be looking at a £300 fine per day until the inspection is carried out. You need to make sure you get an accredited engineer to carry out the work. These shouldn't be too hard to find, and you can probably find them on our website here now. They should have taken all the necessary courses and are fully able to complete the inspections. The inspections have to be done by one engineer and the repairs or servicing by another. That can't be done by the same person because they could be writing out their own order book. So that's our top tip for today. Thank you for watching thebusiness.com.